Car mods can make your ride look cooler, sound better, or perform way beyond stock. But some upgrades can also get you fined, impounded, or even arrested. Today we're counting down 13 car mods that are illegal. The ones that seem harmless until you learn what the law actually says. Let's get into it. We bring you 13 car mods you didn't know are illegal, Volume 1. Number 1. Straight pipe exhaust systems. Straight piping removes mufflers and catalytic converters, creating a loud, unrestricted exhaust. While it boosts sound and sometimes performance, it's illegal in most states because it violates noise limits and emissions laws. Getting caught can mean fines, inspections, and even having your car towed. Number 2. Underglow lighting in certain colors. Underglow isn't always illegal, but specific colors, especially red and blue, are banned in many states because they mimic emergency vehicles. Flashing or rotating lights are almost universally prohibited. Even legal colors often have restrictions on brightness and visibility from the front. Number 3. Dark window tint beyond legal limits. Every state has its own rules for how dark your tint can be, especially on the front windows. Go too dark, and police can ticket you on the spot. Some states even require tint meters during traffic stops, and repeat violations can lead to mandatory removal.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with us. If you're having fun, learning something new, or just love quirky deep dives into cars, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm, hey, this was awesome. Tap subscribe to join our growing crew of curious minds. And don't forget the bell. It's your backstage pass to every new episode. Seriously, these clicks help way more than you'd think. So thank you for watching, for supporting, and for being part of the adventure.
Number 4. Removing the catalytic converter. Deleting your catalytic converter is a federal offense under the Clean Air Act. It increases emissions dramatically and can lead to thousands of dollars in fines. Even selling or installing a cat delete pipe is illegal for street use. Number 5. Blue or red headlights. Aftermarket headlight bulbs that shine blue, purple, or red are illegal in most states because they resemble emergency lighting or exceed brightness limits. They can blind other drivers and fail inspection instantly. Only white and amber are legal for forward-facing lights in most areas. Number 6. Excessively loud aftermarket horns. Train horns, air horns, and other extreme sound devices are banned in many states unless used on commercial vehicles. They're considered a safety hazard because they can startle drivers and pedestrians. Even if they're fun at car meets, using them on public roads can get you cited. Number 7. License plate covers and tints. Smoked, tinted, or reflective license plate covers are illegal in many states because they interfere with plate visibility and traffic cameras. Even clear covers can be banned if they distort the plate at certain angles. Police often treat this as an easy ticket. Number 8. Neon license plate frames. Some states prohibit illuminated license plate frames entirely, while others only ban certain colors. Anything that distracts from the plate or mimics emergency lighting is usually illegal. It's a small mod that can lead to a surprisingly big fine. Number 9. Lift kits beyond legal height. Lift kits are legal, up to a point. Many states have strict limits on bumper height, headlight height, and frame height. Go too tall, and your truck becomes illegal to drive on public roads. Violations can lead to inspection failures or mandatory correction. Number 10. Radar jammer devices. Radar detectors are legal in most states, but radar jammers are not. They interfere with police equipment and are banned under federal law. Getting caught with one can lead to heavy fines, equipment seizure, and even federal charges. Number 11. Illegal engine swaps. Engine swaps are allowed, but only if the new engine meets or exceeds the emissions standards of the original. Installing an older or dirtier engine, or removing emissions equipment, makes the car illegal for street use. Some states check this during annual inspections. Number 12. Wheel spacers that exceed track width limits. Wheel spacers themselves aren't illegal, but pushing your wheels too far outside the fenders is. Many states require full tire coverage to prevent debris from being thrown at other cars. Exposed tread can lead to tickets or inspection failures. And number 13. Nitrous oxide systems on public roads. Nitrous kits are legal to own, but using them on public roads is not. Some states even ban having the bottle connected while driving. If police find an active nitrous system, you can be cited for illegal performance modifications. Car mods can make your ride unique, but knowing the law keeps you out of trouble. Some upgrades are perfectly fine at shows or on private property, but illegal the moment you hit public roads. If you enjoyed this breakdown of banned mods, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Lists of 13.
Huge thanks for watching all the way to the end and making it here. Now that you're in the comments, here's the mission. Drop your best idea for our next video below. If we pick your suggestion, we'll give you a shout out when it goes live. If you loved this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the automotive world, and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. But most importantly,
be kind to each other.
See you in the next video.